This is the magnifying effect. Add in the page or item, extend the length as desired. Copy and paste it here. Click on the copied item and go to mask. Select the rectangle option and turn off the visibility of the first page. Place the mask on the part of the page you want to show. Go to basic and turn on the scale keyframe. Go to a few frames forward and add another keyframe. Add a third keyframe a few frames forward and scale the frame as desired. Turn on the visibility for the first page and add keyframes exactly the same positions you did for the second page. On the third keyframe, reduce the opacity so the second page will be more visible. This is what it should look like. Now, to return this page back to its normal position, add 2 keyframes towards the end of the page, and on the second keyframe, reduce the size like this. Repeat the same keyframe process for the first page, and on the second keyframe, increase the opacity. You should end up with the result like this. Now for this effect, add in your scene or video into the editing timeline. This is the original video. Go to adjustment and toggle the saturation down to 0. Add a text layer and edit it to an item. Add a color and increase the size to cover the entire screen. Click on this option and select the export still frame option. Add name, location and resolution and export it. Delete the text layer and go back to the import option. You should find the frame you just saved. Pick it and add it into the timeline. Go to blend and select the overlay option. Add the clip and scale it up to size with the previous one. Go to remove background. Using the chroma key option, select the color picker tool and choose the red color in the frame. Adjust the intensity to completely eliminate the red color. You should have this final effect. The double exposure effect. Open a blank canvas on Capcut and add a text layer. Edit it to any word you want. Select a really bold font. Add a background clip and adjust both to the same length. Add a contrast color to the bike text and export the clip, just like this. Delete it and add the exported clip. Also add in the video clip you want. Arrange them like this. Click on the exported clip and remove the color of the bike to make it transparent. Export the clip. On the blank canvas, add in the exported clip and the video clip you want. Remove the yellow color using the remove BG tool. Go to the effects and select the blur option. Drag it to the video and adjust the intensity. Scale up the exported clip to any of your choice and reduce the opacity of the video. You should end up with something like this.